What's going on, Pixel Hackers? Christian Lovrecich from PixlFeed here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make Facebook automatically get rid of the trolls and your ads. Get rid of those nasty comments so you don't have to deal with them. Facebook does it automatically for you. But before we get into it, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive right in.
So one of the things you cannot avoid when you start running ads is people commenting on your ads, trolling, leaving spam, or or linking to their own products or whatever. So the more you scale your brand and your sales and your ads, the more comments are you going to get, and there's no way around it. And one thing that is super annoying is when people start talking crap on your post if you don't have a proprietary product. People are going to get you confused with other brands. It happens. So if, they had a bad experience with another store, they might leave a comment blaming you for it when they didn't even buy from you. It happens all the time. So there's a way to mod your page automatically so you don't have to worry about it and have Facebook take care of it. So I have this page right here pulled up that I run ads for. And we're going to go under our settings here. And once you go into settings, you're going to see page moderation, okay? And here you're going to click edit. And when you click edit, you can actually type in words that you want to block out from Facebook, from people, for Facebook to automatically hide the comment. And what do I mean by that? So let's say I want to add the word junk, okay? So I add that, it gets added to it. I'll save the changes. And then every time if someone comments with the word junk in the comments, Facebook will hide it automatically. The reason why you want to hide and you don't want to delete the comment is because likes engagement. Haters make us famous. That's my favorite word. Haters make me famous, because it doesn't matter if it's a positive or negative comment, even though Facebook reads it right now, as of now in 2020, even if it's a bad comment, just hide it, because the engagement drives the post up and it makes your ads cheaper, because Facebook sees it as engagement. He sees that as a person spending time on the platform. So when you go to your page, you go to your notifications. If you don't know this already, you get your notifications. Let's go to a post right here so I can show you what I'm talking about. You're going to see commented on the link. There's one right here. So it's going to load. And then, when you look at your stuff right here, you can actually delete, hide comment, and you can actually ban the person. So if you were doing manually, you would just hide the comment. You don't delete it, because if you delete it, it's getting rid of the engagement. So don't do that. Okay. So it's super simple as that. There's one that's hidden right here. So there are people talking crap or trolling you or whatever. Just, make sure you fill in your moderation list. That way you don't have to worry about it. And then it gets hidden automatically. The other thing that I recommend, though, always interact with your post. Get back to people. If people ask questions, answer the questions, because if they see that the brand's interacting with the people that are commenting, people like that. They perceive that. They're like, oh, this is a real brand. They're getting back to their customers. They're taking care of it. And even if you hide a comment, you can actually reply to them and it will be hidden from everybody else. So you don't have to worry about it. So make sure you interact with your comments, even if they're, people complaining about their shipping or whatever. Just make sure you take care of your customer service, right? And, do not ban anybody. Just hide the comments. That's all I recommend. So that's a quick one. And what I'm going to do is this list right here that I have for mine. There's so many words, so you got to add in that. I'm going to add it to a link below in the description, so you can click on that link below and you can download the list and you can go in here and you can upload it straight to Facebook, and then you don't have to sit here and type one by one, because that will take you forever.
If you like this video, make sure to hit one of the boxes right above me. Move on to the next. Keep learning, keep moving on, and I'll see you in the next video.